Making money online in today's world is no big deal, however, if you stay wise and learn patience and consistency. I will teach you 4 ways you can make money online, but remember, what I am going to tell you requires effort and hard work, so make sure that after you watch the complete video, you pick the correct field and start working on making money online today. Number 1. Stock photography and videos. A lot of you might think that stock photography requires an expensive camera or editing laptop. No. If you are watching this video, it means you have a smartphone and the majority of the viewers can start making money in this field. This niche requires either a phone with a decent camera or a laptop with a very stable internet connection. Now with this idea, all you have to do is take or generate images, and you can sell your images and videos on stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. Number 2. Content creation. With this niche, every day millions of dollars are generated. You see, YouTube and Instagram both are the platforms of creators where all you have to do is generate content that people enjoy watching. This means that all you have to do is upload high dopamine content, which makes viewers of both platforms stay there for a long time, for which YouTube and Instagram are going to pay you. Each day, thousands of YouTube channels are created, and each day, thousands get monetized. So all you have to do is find a niche, watch a few knowledgeable YouTube videos from genuine creators, and find tools that can help ease, edit, and manage your content. So my friend, you have the idea, now go execute, and still, if you want to learn about more ways, let me move forward. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Well, this might seem unworthy to you, but after I am done, you will regret not knowing this before. Since you are still on the video, you are going to learn the bonus tips. You see, affiliate marketing has generated thousands in a week for a lot of individuals. Now listen carefully. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, go to clickbank.com and select your niche and pick the best pictures, and then proceed to making a short video for which all you have to do is invest 15 minutes to learn video editing and start making videos. Make 10 to 12 videos, upload them on TikTok, and once you gain 1,000 followers, paste your affiliate link on your account. In addition, promote products or services through unique affiliate links. When people make purchases through your links, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate are popular affiliate marketing platforms. Remember this key point. You have to consistently upload videos and be patient. Again, remember consistency and patience. Lastly, number 4, virtual assistancy. You might have heard about this, or maybe not. In brief, being a virtual assistant, you will have to provide administrative, organizational, or technical support to businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. You might handle tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media management. All it takes is a few hours of doing research on remote jobs, check the eligibility criteria, and learn a few skills as well, sending a resume or email professionally. A lot of companies hire new candidates daily, and you can also be a lucky one to be remotely doing a respected, interesting, and creative job. I have taught you a lot with very less. I can keep on going, but the video will go on for long. From very basic online money-making skills, I have taught you how to work for yourself. Now all you have to do is get out of your comfort zone, take action, and grind for a while. My friend, don't waste time and energy. Invest it and start thinking like a real man that embraces a hard-working beast mentality.